So we have a shop selling packets of envelopes, and they sell them in small packets and large packets with 5 and 20 envelopes in them respectively. Then it says there is a total of T envelopes in X small packets and Y large packets. Write down a formula for T in terms of X and Y. Right, well, let's think about it. So X small packets. How many envelopes is that? Well, that's going to be X times 5 envelopes. In other words, 5X. So that's X times 5 envelopes. And the Y large packets is going to be 20 times Y, or Y times 20 envelopes. And the total of those is T. So T is just equal to 5X plus 20Y. And that's all there is to it. We could probably have written that down straight away. It seems like not very much work for 3 marks, but who's complaining when they give you marks?